All right, let's talk about potential tropical cyclone number 9, expected to become tropical storm in the next 24 hours as it moves into the Caribbean and eventually tracks across the islands on Wednesday night and Thursday and into Friday. It's still very disorganized. The hurricane hunters have been flying through it, can't find a well-defined low-level center, and certainly no convection near the center, which you can see is well displaced to the east. The convection's outrunning the main center of circulation. It's a very large disorganized system, but it is expected to condense and get a little bit better organized and become a tropical storm likely in the next 24 hours. And the forecast track for this potential cyclone is for Wednesday, 45-mile-an-hour winds, and then tracking along the north coast of Haiti and the Dominican Republic, an area that is not very favorable for development, with a very mountainous area along the north coast, and has a long history of tearing apart developing storms. And then if it gets through that, it'll track into the Turks and Caicos and then eventually in toward the Bahamas. We start to get into the error cone here Saturday afternoon. The winds forecast to be 60 miles an hour. Keep in mind, intensity forecasts are problematic at best, especially in the last few years. So we could see something slightly stronger or weaker. And the error cone, of course, could have a track to the south or to the east. Some of the models, some very reliable models, keep it to the south and move it into the Gulf. Some of the stronger models, the ones that develop it into something stronger, keep it more into the Bahamas, making that turn a little faster into the Bermuda High. And there's Sunday, 2 p.m. So on this track, well, let's show you the models first. The afternoon runs, and they're becoming a little bit better organized. You can see there's a main line of models that brings it in across Andros. That would be Saturday. There's 4:30 p.m. So we're already starting to feel the effects here, and then tracking in along the coastline of Florida after that. Obviously, this is something that we'll have to monitor closely, but it is not set in stone, not even by a long shot. But on the current track and intensity, here's what we would be looking at Saturday, starting off with some sunshine, increasing clouds though, and rain developing, especially later in the day, and Saturday night. Sunday, gusty winds and some rain squalls, and Monday. Too early to tell how strong those winds will be. On the current track with this potential tropical cyclone, we would be dealing with tropical storm force winds of 50 and 60 miles an hour, but there's a lot of uncertainty with this, and I'm reminiscent of what was expected to become Hurricane Erica back in 2015, that pretty much washed out over Hispaniola and didn't really have a significant impact here other than rainfall. So we'll keep an eye on it, and you should too, through the week, but it could have an impact on our weekend weather. What we have right now are some strong storms that have developed on the eastern side of the lake. That one moving toward Okeechobee, and another line around Belglade and Canal Point and Pahokee. Mainly inland at this point, but some rain you can see up around Vero trying to make it to the coastline, and our temperatures cooling off slowly. It won't be as active as it was last night with those strong storms. Tomorrow, more heat and humidity, hazy sunshine, Saharan dust has settled in, so our rain chances a little below normal through Friday, and then they increase on Saturday, late in the day, and Sunday because of that tropical system. In fact, the Vipercast model keeps it as a wave and not even a closed low-level system, a depression or a storm. Nice boating tomorrow, seas running about 1 to 2. Your first alert forecast tonight, inland storms, quiet at the coast, 76 the overnight low. Tomorrow we warm up to 90 degrees. Again, similar to today, with isolated storms in the second half of the day. Same weather pattern for Thursday and Friday, and then watching the potential impact of our potential tropical cyclone for late Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.